Amrit Bharat coaches are fitted with the advanced Wabtec crash-worthy couplers to ensure maximum protection in critical situations. Let's look at the coupler installation process. At the ICF facility, all personnel must use standard PPE. The Wabtec couplers are transported and unloaded at the B shop for assembly. Once the underframe is positioned and securely locked, installation begins. With the help of heavy-duty cranes, our engineers move the bulky draft gear into position for installation. Often, the engineers work in coordination at each end of the underframe. Fasteners are kept handy to bolt the draft gear to the underframe. In order to secure the bulky draft gear to the coach underframe, the base plate snaps into position. The engineers use an impact wrench in tandem to efficiently tighten all the bolts. Load springs cushion the wagon by absorbing any sudden jolts that could occur in operation. Attaching the load spring completes the process of securing the draft gear to the underframe. The underframe is then relocated for further coach assembly. With the train structure built, a click-type torque wrench is used. Torque wrenches tighten fasteners to a specific, preset torque value, and the results are etched onto the coupler, confirming compliance. The head is the final part that will complete the coupler installation. Scissor lifts make it easier to coincide the coupler head and the draft gear. With careful precision, the head is attached to the coupler body. Just like the base plate, the muff coupling secures the joint, making sure that the machinery is assembled correctly and operates reliably. Careful attention to every little fixture in the assembly is a critical safety protocol. And that's it. The coach is now ready for coupling. Wedges make sure that the coach positioned for coupling does not undesirably move during the process. The second coupler-fitted coach is guided in slowly after ensuring a safe passage. The coaches are now ready to serve the nation. For emergency situations, a rescue adapter and tools are always on standby. Only trained personnel must uncouple coaches safely, following the defined procedure. With Wabtec crash-worthy couplers, Indian Railways ensure a safer journey for every traveler.